Hi everyone, welcome to KichaTube HD. Today is my sister's birthday, Nidha. Happy birthday, Nidha! But she's not here today. She's in New York for her higher studies. And today I'm going to surprise my sister by making her favorite dessert, Apple Crumble. So let's start. I preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, add green apples. Chopped green apples and mix them with lime juice. And then add brown sugar. Next. Let's transfer it into a baking tray. Now we have to flatten it. Spread it out evenly, smoothen it. Keep it aside. Next, let's make the crumble. I'm going to use a processor. Add rolled oats, flour, salt, cinnamon, and butter. And finally, brown sugar. Pulse it a few times. The crumble is ready. Now put it on the layer of apples. Spread it evenly. Finally add dry fruits. It's optional. Bake it for 30 to 40 minutes until the top is golden. I baked it for 40 minutes and now it's ready. It's done. It's best with ice cream and dry fruits. So happy birthday, Nidha. I'll eat this for you. Taste time. It's really apple crumble. Happy birthday to you, Nidha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nidha. Happy birthday to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow in Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye. Please do try this at your home. Please tell me how it came out, and I'll be very happy.